Fearful urination occurs when a dog feels threatened. It may occur when he is being punished or verbally scolded, or when he is approached by someone he perceives to be threatening to him. It's important to remember that this response is based on the dog's perception of a threat, not the person's actual intention. The urination is accompanied by appeasing postures, such as crouching or rolling over to expose his belly. Excitement urination occurs most often during greetings and playtime, and is not accompanied by appeasing postures. Excitement urination usually resolves on its own as the dog matures. What to do if your pet has an excitement or fearful urination problem? 1. Take your dog to the vet to rule out medical reasons for the behavior. 2. Not interact with your dog during situation that triggers excited pee. But first, make sure your dog is capable of holding their bladder and has been fully house-trained. For example, when you arrive home and greet your dog, act calmly, don't talk or move in an excited manner. Don't pet him, and if necessary, don't make eye contact. When your dog becomes too stimulated, simply stand quietly while turning away from your dog and wait for them to settle down. Take him outside, let him urinate, and after he's calmed down, greet him affectionately but calmly. 3. Reducing your dog's energy level with consistent daily exercise and daily mental stimulation can also help decrease excitement peeing. 4. When you have visitors, ask them to ignore the dog when they arrive. 5. For dogs that will urinate when they feel anxious or threatened, avoid using postures or gestures that the dog might view as threatening. For example, don't make direct eye contact with the dog. Don't bend over the dog. Don't reach toward the dog with your hands, especially over the dog's head. And don't hug the dog. 6. A less threatening greeting would be as follows. When approaching the dog, look off to the side rather than directly at her. Bend down on your haunches or sit, so that you appear smaller to the dog. Wait quietly without moving for the dog to approach you and smell you. If the dog approaches you, reach slowly with one hand to pet under the chin. If the dog doesn't approach, offer a small treat. 7. Clean the accidents with an enzymatic cleaner which neutralizes the odor. 8. Keep in mind that punishment of any kind, even harsh tones, can cause inappropriate urination.